my channel. How's it going? I hope everybody is well. Today we are testing out another palette. It seems like I've got a lot of Bad Habit beauty palettes, and I have, because I was very kindly sent them by one of my subscribers, Jeanette, who lives in America. I'll link the video somewhere up there where she sent me a ginormous box of amazingness. But I'm just working my way through the palettes, and today I'm going to be testing out the Retro Love palette. This is $10. You can buy it from Shop Hush. I will link it down below. This is kind of a dupe for the Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It looks gorgeous. I haven't even swatched these yet. I'm so excited. This colour here, it's called Icon, and it's like a gorgeous sort of shimmery green. I don't really know what look I'm going to go for today, but then I never know what look I'm going to go for when I film these kind of videos. So yeah, we're just going to do it. I'm going to swatch them all on my arm, and then we're going to get them on my face. I definitely want to incorporate this yellow, which is called Rebel. You're going to have to excuse the banging. One of my neighbours is doing some DIY, and I need to get this filmed, and I can't stop him from banging because he is a butt face and doesn't understand that people need him to be quiet. So I'm going to get these swatched, and then we'll come back.
I was going to swatch them off camera, but I've literally just touched them, and look at those. Look at that green. I'm so excited. So I'm going to just do it on camera and show you guys what I'm doing. It's going to be a little bit long video, but this one is Psychedelic, which is kind of like a holographic pink. And then we've got Icon, which is the green, which just looks amazing. And we've got Hippie, and then we've got Pop, which are both matte browns. This one's kind of like a greeny brown, like a khaki colour. This green just looks amazing. Okay, next up we've got Rebel, which is the yellow. Then we've got Mod, which is a gorgeous green. Rock and Roll, which looks like it's going to be kind of like a plummy brown. And then Peace, which is kind of, which looks like it would be a perfect transition colour, kind of a peachy nudie kind of matte. Oh, okay, next up we've got Flower Power, Youth, Revolution, wow, and Nostalgia. Oh my god, look at Revolution. Oh my goodness, that is insane. Is this yellow and Free Love, which is the green. I am so impressed with that, and they're so soft. That Revolution colour is just insane. I'm not going to use it, I don't think, today, because I always do gold lids. I really want to incorporate this green Icon onto the lid colour, so yeah.
Okay, first off, I'm going to go into the colour Peace, and I'm going to run this through the crease as my transition colour. There's no fallout with this one. There's a little bit in the pan, but nothing on my face. Okay, Peace is on. I'm now going to go into the colour, I think I'm going to go into Rebel, which is the yellow one, on that same brush, and just run this in the crease as well. Oh my god, I love this colour already. Again, no fallout, just a little bit in the pan, but nothing crazy. Not like if you've seen any of the videos of the actual Subculture palette, because that was cray. Oh my goodness, I love this colour. It's kind of like a mustardy yellow. That is so nice. I'm just going to get a clean brush and just run this along the edge of the two colours. Next up, I'm going to go into the colour Fab and bring that slightly lower. Okay, I don't really feel like Fab is doing much. I much prefer Rebel, so I'm actually just going to dip back into that and see if we can intensify that colour on the outer edge a little bit more. Okay, next up I'm going to go into, I think I'm going to go into Youth, or do I want to do some greens? I think I'm going to go into Youth on that same brush. This is just an Eco Tools blending brush, and it's just a smaller fluffy brush. I'm going to really tap off the excess though. Don't tap off too much. And I'm just going to put that colour on the outer edge, and then just get that original fluffy brush and just start to blend it. Before I deepen up the outer edge anymore, I want to see what this lid colour's like. So I'm going to go into Icon, which is the green. I'm just going to go in Dry to start with. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. I absolutely love this colour. It is amazing. I'm going to dip back into Youth.
I have 2 diamonds and purple.
I'm just going to pack this colour on the outer portion of my eye. There is some fallout now that I'm packing the colour on. And then I'm just getting a clean brush. I'm just going to start to blend this in circular motions and just bring it a little bit into the crease. I feel like I've lost too much of the original yellow, so I'm going to dip back into Rebel, which is the original yellow colour, and just reapply that because I love the yellow and the green. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest of my makeup on and then we're gonna come back to the eyes. Rest of my makeup is done. I'm now going to do my under eyes. I think I want to kind of incorporate a little bit of these greens, the dark greens. And I'm going to just get a teeny little pencil brush. I'm a little bit scared for this because I've got places to go later. I'm going to really tap off the excess and just start to run this underneath. Oh my god, that green is pretty. That is super pretty. I'm also going to get some of the original yellow Rebel colour and run that into the green. I'm going to get a little tiny brush and I'm going to go into Psychedelic, which was the kind of holographic, and I'm going to pop this on my inner corner. Oh, I think I might have found my new favourite inner corner highlight. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. I love it. Alright, I'm going to chuck on some liner and some eyelashes, or maybe just mascara, I'm not sure yet. And then we'll come back. Okay. The eyes are finished. I absolutely love them. The green colour might be my new favourite lid colour ever. I love it. I'm going to do something that I'm probably going to regret. I'm going to use the inner corner highlight, the pinky kind of psychedelic colour, and I'm going to put it on my face as a highlighter. Oh my god, that's so pretty. It is kind of, it is a very pinky, probably not an everyday highlight, not for me anyway, but I've done it now, I'm committed. That is super, super pretty. So yeah, I love this palette. I think it's amazeballs. So what colours did we not use? I didn't use Hippie or Flower Power, Revolution, Nostalgia, Mod. Everything else I dipped into. So there's only 4 colours that I didn't use. But I absolutely love it. This is just incredible. I cannot wait to use this. That is going to happen very soon. But I just wanted to do something a bit different and out of my comfort zone. Because that would have just been... that is just like what I normally do, so I wanted to do something different. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please do give this video a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.